Welcome to Mazda Connected Services, a human-centric Mazda driving experience that puts a priority on safety. Let's explore the safety features built into your Mazda. If your vehicle is involved in a moderate or severe collision, a call is made automatically to 911 via Bluetooth to your cell phone. A window will open informing you of the call. Select Cancel if you do not need emergency assistance. To function, your phone must be connected to Bluetooth and the emergency assistance call setting must be turned on in the Mazda Connect system to allow for automatic 911 dialing.